Before the aircraft self-check, check all parts and make sure every latch is locked tight. Unfold the 4 rotor blades in a straight line. Remove the pitot tube cover as shown on the ground station. Check that the ailerons move normally. Check that the tail rudder moves normally. Check that the tail motor works properly. Follow the sound prompts from the ground station, and make sure each rotomotor runs normally.
Motor check in progress. Motor check in progress. Motor check in progress.
Finally, make sure the LiDAR and camera test shots work normally. Pre-flight check completed.